Saw nothing. There, guys. There's only one dinosaur left. But last time you saw that there were 3 dinosaurs left for me to unlock. Well, see how this is going to go. And you might think that I used the double barrel or shotgun to kill these 2 guys. Pistol. Look, you see that pistol right under the length, weight, and range of kill. The weapon, pistol. All of these dinosaurs are killed by a pistol. My pistol is strong as a bazooka. A literal bazooka. Well, I'm just gonna hunt more with tranquilizers. Oh, look at the cute baby chicken. Oh, it's gonna get killed. Huh? How does that even work? You see, I go over here, okay? Go over here where there's like this big place hill. I call until the dinosaur comes here and then just fill him up with bullets. Remember, when you're doing this, get up closer so the dinosaur, gets locked in place. There we go. 6 bullets and you're down. Down to the ground. Wow. Peak gameplay. Okay, let's get some birds to fill them up with bullets. That's one. Where is the second one? There's the second one. That one is a baby. That's a baby one, and this one is slightly bigger than the baby one. These 2 are babies. This is a baby worm. Still, they're super big. Okay, these overgrown turkeys. Oh, Jesus! One last bullet. What am I gonna use it on? Dang it! Absolute dang it! Okay, these baby little dinosaurs, the goober boobers. Well, I'm gonna end this video right here, right now. Goodbye. Whoa, Cosmosaurus, right? It's the most beautiful thing I've seen in my life. A Cosmosaur, right next to a Ceratosaur. Oh my god. Hey editor, make this thing look like the Carnage monster. Oh yeah, I forgot you were on vacation. It's a Cosmosaur though. Cosmo? Where are you, Cosmo? Cosmo is dead. Well, how to kill the Carnage monster? Just shoot it at the place where its eyeball is supposed to be. Now I need to fill this guy with bullets. And I'm gonna do it the dirty way. There's the hole. Well, that was some new YouTubers. What? I didn't know that Ceratosaurus literally had some ass cheeks. That they had a freaking booty, lechutis. I don't know the bandoke though. Ah! Oh no, I'm stuck. Never mind, I'm just gonna kick myself from the altar. See you later, goodbye!